Hey, I'm Ryan from AccuTune Offroad, and today I'm going to show you our new bump stop kit. It fits the Toyota 4Runners, GX460 and GX470. So we came out with these bump stop spacers with a bunch of different heights because we offer a lot of different rear shock options for the 4Runner GX platform. And when we're using our Tundra rear shock, it's a longer compressed length. And so we need more bump stop spacers so we don't bottom the shock out. When we're using some of our shorter stock length shocks, we can run a shorter bump stop spacer. And so we have a bunch of different options depending on which shock package you're running. So part of our bump stop kit, we use our super nice foam urethane bump stops. These things are made in America, and this is super high quality foam. It is much softer than a factory bump stop, and you can see how much taller it is. And as a result, we're able to engage the bump stop sooner and more comfortably instead of having that hard bottom out. We're going to be including these bump stop spacers in the correct length in all of our stage kits. If you want to reference which one you need, we're going to have a chart, and you can also reference the stage kit that matches the shocks that you have. This kit can be installed in about 30 minutes start to finish if you got to take the tires off, and just requires basic hand tools. Thank you for watching this video and checking out our new product. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below, or you can go to our website, AccuTuneOffroad.com, shoot us an email or give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Thank you.